Good day, everyone. I'm Rosala Del Mundo. Today, I'll be discussing a topic that's important for both students and professionals. Understanding academic versus non-academic writing. So we'll look into their key distinctions, characteristics, and how knowing the difference can make us better communicators. So let's begin with academic writing. So this is a formal and structured form of writing used primarily in schools, universities, and research institutions. Its main goal is to inform the reader and support claims using evidence, not opinions. So it follows a rigid structure, the introduction, thesis, body, and conclusion. So the tone is objective and uses field-specific vocabulary. You'll find this in research papers, scholarly essays, and dissertations. So most importantly, it requires proper citations to show where your information came from. Here are some tips to keep in mind when writing academically. First, be formal. So avoid using slang, contractions, or casual language. Second, maintain objectivity. So avoid writing in first person. Don't say I think or we believe. Instead, present facts and evidence. So finally, prioritize clarity and conciseness. So avoid repeating ideas and make your points clear and direct. Now let's look at the academic writing. Unlike academic writing, this type is written for the general public. So when we say non-academic writing, it's usually more personal and may include emotions or opinions. So it's common in blogs, newspaper articles, novels, and social media posts. So when we say non-academic writing, often uses casual or conversational language and it doesn't always follow a strict structure. So while it may still aim to conform, it often also seeks to entertain or persuade. Academic writing uses what we call academic language. So this means that the tone is formal, precise, and impersonal. So we avoid using I, we, or you. We also use the passive voice or place emphasis on the subject of study. So for example, instead of saying, I did the experiment, it say, the experiment was conducted. So the goal is to sound professional and to communicate your ideas clearly and respectfully. So here's quick comparison between the two. When we say academic writing is for experts and scholars, non-academic is for the general public. So one is formal and factual, the other is casual and emotional. Academic writing needs citations and structure. Non-academic can be free-flowing and based on personal experiences. So knowing which type to use depends on your audience and your purpose. So why should we care the difference? Because knowing the distinction helps us adopt our writing style for different contexts, school, work, or for our everyday communication. So it also helps us critically assess what we read online, in print, or in academic journals. So writing well for the right audience is the key to success in both education and professional life. All right, so that wraps up our presentation. So I hope gave you a clear understanding of academic versus non-academic writing. So now I'd like to hear your thoughts or questions. So feel free to share. Thank you, everyone.